Okay, so using a piece of wood to hang a Lightmover rail in a grow tent is actually pretty simple. This is a cedar fence picket that I've cut to 44 inches. That's roughly the distance we have in here. The cross beams of a grow tent, you slide your board in up over the cross beams, but under the surface of the tent. Next, you take the LightRail rail, sandwich the two together, and then using a screw that's long enough, but not too long, because you don't want to go through the top of the tent. We're going to hook the rail up like that. We're going to grab another screw and do one of the holes on the other end and sandwich it together. We're going to grab another screw, sandwich it together. Pull that back out a little because I came through on the other side. I'll straighten this one up here in a minute. And we're going to do the last one on this end. I've got those so they're just coming through the other side. I'll probably make them just a little tighter. They actually won't, I doubt they would hurt the tent any, but and we'll straighten this guy out. So this is how you, in the old school, you would hang a LightRail in a grow tent using wood. Since this method was difficult for a lot of people, Growlight has developed a LightRail tent hanger.